G'day. Haven't been around for a while. Hope everybody's had an enjoyable Easter and school holiday period. Haven't suffered too much with the traffic. Me, I've been working during that period, but enjoying it as well. We're going to have a bit of a whinge about a couple of things to start with today. And the first one is something that I haven't mentioned before, and that is the old West Tigers. Now, you might remember that I was chairman of West Magpies 25 years ago, when we were threatened and eventually negotiated an amalgamation, merger, joint venture with Balmain Tigers. The intention was that ultimately they'd play primarily at Campbelltown, a little bit of time at Balmain, and a little bit of time in other venues. The intention also was that they were going to be successful and great representatives of our area. Well, they were successful to a limited extent. They actually won a premiership in 2005. The last couple of years, though, have been absolutely bloody horrendous. And with all the promise that we started this season with, nothing's showing. God, I hope they lift their game. I can't give them up. I still support them. And I hope you old Magpies fans support them as well. The other thing I want to have a bit of a whinge about, and I've credited federal and state governments with their handling of the coronavirus over the last 12 to 18 months, but I've got to be a complainant when it comes to the federal government's handling of the vaccinations. I don't like doing this because, as I've said before, the feds and the state government have done an excellent job in managing the virus. But managing this vaccination process has been an absolute and total cock-up. Not by the state government, but by the federal government. Now, I don't know whether it's the experts, I don't know whether it's the politicians who are at fault. But frankly, I don't care. It's we, the public, who are the victims. Anyway, now they're saying no target, no goal. In my opinion, if you don't have a target, you don't have a goal, the probability is that you're not going to get a result, or at least the result that you want. The government should get its act together, work with the state government, hopefully they agree to do so, work with the state government, and in the interests of the people of Australia, get it right. Last thing I want to say is a little bit of praise, and that's for my partner, Adam Seton. Most of you would know Adam, and you know that he is a land environment local government specialist. They send out, or there's an organisation that sends out ratings of lawyers in particular areas, and I received this last week, and it has a recommended, this is in the area of local government and planning and environment, and there is 30 recommended lawyers. Adam's name's not on that one. Then there are 10, what they describe as leading lawyers in the area. Adam's name's not on that either. But then there are three only that are described as preeminent. And Adam is at the top of that list. Well done, Adam. Well deserved. I hope you keep well. I hope you look after your health. And I'll see you again in a week or two.